How to log in into JCPenney Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into JCPenney Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for JCPenney Employee Portal login. And after you do that, there you'll see this website that says please authenticate. So open that up. After you open that up, here you should be on this page where you'll need to type in your username and then your password, then tap on the login button to log in into your account. And the process is that simple. If you have been given a different URL for the sign up page, you can go through with that and then do the same thing from there as well. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.